That's why I can't get anything done. I gotta film all the time. Hey, yeah, come to the shop. We got this on an Orochi X10. You can cast this here in our pond right here by the shop. You check it out just to feel how awesome this nice high-end Daiwa reel is.
Ready?
Ready, go. And hashtag not sponsored. This is the Daiwa SV. It's got a T-wing. It's got the boost in it. It's got about 20 brake settings on your brake settings here for it. It also has its tension. This is the tension knob, and they really don't want you to mess with it. It comes with a tool if you really need to tweak it a little bit, but it doesn't need it. And you can zing it with this thing. It's the lightest bait caster I think Daiwa has right in our shop right now. And specifically, we have this paired up with an Megabass Orochi Jabberwock. Kind of got a little bit of flex to it. It's not super stiff. Good for a moving bait, swim jig, stuff like that, spinner bait. Good around docks. Just a good all-around rod. Really awesome setup. I'll just do an underhand flip. There's a buoy out there. See the buoy? That is an underhand flip of about 20 yards with the Senko. Hey, this is about 100 size reel, so you can pack on a lot of line. So it'll do a lot of things. Like spinner baits, chatter baits, really good. Some crankbaits, probably not your freaking monster deep diving crankbaits, not a 200 size, but pretty much most things you could fish with this reel. There you go. About as far as you'd want to cast it. Yeah. So I'm all the way up to, that was 16, right? And it changed it. So you had to hit it pretty hard with the Senko if you're going to throw it in the wind. Oh yeah. I can say this too about personally. You're still recording. When you reel this reel, I let people in the shop, I showed it to them quite a bit. You just reel it with nothing on it. It's like there is no gearing feel at all on this reel. It's probably the smoothest reel out of any of the reels, even over some of the other brands. I would say it's probably the smoothest out of the box that you'll ever reel.